stop for a moment with that subtle, simple tune. Moving between the trees and speaking with you in its own language. But tomorrow the wind has gone, leaving behind just that little reminder of being back in the city. Your whole system is just overstimulated with that sound. Listen to the sound of wind again. I just wanted to make this video, guys, to tell you that I'm just absolutely in love with nature, and nature is home. I'm home, so I just can't. Dear cities, I'm sorry, but I don't really like